happens if you combine slime and Coca Cola? Or if you add peanuts to cheese slime and put popcorn into slime? Watch these and other recipes of edible slimes in our new video. The kids have nothing to do. Christy got so bored that she's reading her book for the third time. And Stevie has already started talking to a unicorn. Unicorn is a funny conversational partner, but Stevie needs something more exciting. He comes back with some weird tool. It looks like a giant juicer. This is a culinary lottery. Stevie came up with a prizes for all lottery. The rules are simple. Write names of random food on the balls. The ingredient you get is the one from which you have to make a yummy treat. The culinary show with unpredictable results is getting started. We're going to cook the recipes Destiny prepared for us. Clap! And the balls start flying around. The lottery machine gives the first result. Christy gets a red slime, and Stevie gets French fries. We wonder how this duo will turn out. Mix equal amounts of tapioca starch and water. Add some ketchup to the mixture and some red food coloring. Put it into a microwave so that the tapioca becomes thicker. After 30 seconds, stir it. Then, microwave for 30 seconds again. A bit of magic, and there are ketchup and French fries on the table. We can't leave our fingerprints on food according to standards of hygiene. We have to put on gloves. The chefs are ready to taste their first dish. Dip French fries into ketchup slime. It doesn't taste too good. Maybe we should change the serving style. Put all the French fries into the slime and mix them together. It looks like a battlefield where a whole army of French fries was defeated. Potato and slime ragu could taste and look better. Let's move on. A mystery awaits the friends in the next round. Stevie gets a secret ingredient. What can it possibly mean? Christy comes up with a solution. She blindfolds Stevie. This way, an ingredient automatically becomes a secret for him. And now let's experiment. What about some breakfast cereal? It seems like Stevie likes this product. He's still a foodie even when he's blindfolded. And Christy made white marshmallow slime for herself. Melt white marshmallows in a microwave. Add cornstarch. Mix sweet slime. It stretches out nicely, but it tears a little. Stevie can't stand this snow white slime. Let's color it with chocolate balls. Stevie distracts Christy and puts the breakfast cereals right into the white heart of the slime. Well, Christy wasn't expecting to be tricked, but the symbiosis of breakfast cereals and white slime is surprisingly awesome. Stevie has a feeling for food, and yet he refuses to taste his product. The kids hold their breath. They are waiting for what they will get this time. Stevie gets something white, and Christy gets Tic Tacs. They will definitely make something unusually delicious. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Add cornstarch and mix a slime. This slime needs some efforts to stretch out, but it doesn't tear at all. Stevie easily turns his ball into sweet-smelling chewy slime. And Christy adds Tic Tacs straight from the ball. Now that's what we call real cooking magic. Now they just have to mix the ingredients. This slime is so stretchy that it deserves an A. Stevie easily wraps the slime around himself. Tic Tac slime turned out to be pretty nice. It's a lottery break. Cola cools them down. But they really want to know what else the lottery machine has in store for them. Let's play one more time. It shows us cola and gummy candies. How interesting! Add food coloring to Coca Cola flavored gummies. Melt them in a microwave. Add cornstarch to the gummy mass and mix cola candy slime. Christy loves this Coca Cola flavored slime. It stretches out in all directions. And the taste is nice, but there is something missing here. Stevie knows what it is. Gummy bottles with cola. Now this slime is actually creative and extra Coca Cola-ish. Christy lets Stevie try their joint invention. The kids love it. Edible slimes made their regular day better. The lottery machine is back in the game. What did it prepare for us this time? We are waiting for the result. We get something clear and glittering. Some fairies must have manipulated the results. And the ingredients are already appearing on the table. A mysterious smoky mass and a lot of decorations applied. Mix 1 part tapioca with 2 parts water. Add food glitter and stir. Melt it in a microwave so that it becomes like jelly. Add some water so that the slime doesn't stick to your hands. Knead clear slime. This slime with tapioca balls looks like an alien from a jellyfish planet. It almost doesn't stretch and it flows in your hands like something shapeless. The kids are all set. They sink their hands into the clear slime. This is probably how a jellyfish massage looks. This slime needs some brightness. Let's add some party vibes and cover it with bright sprinkles and some edible beads. Stevie arranges a colorful sprinkle rain for slime. Now let's taste it. The rainbow has certainly added some color to this clear slime, but the taste is still not rich enough. Let's get ready for the next round. The lottery machine is mixing the balls and gives us peanuts and cheese. This is a very fortunate combo. Cut some cheese that melts well into pieces. Put it into a microwave. Take out the soft cheese mass. We get an excellent slime. It's soft and elastic. It stretches out perfectly and doesn't tear. Just a bit of magic and a cheese slime is in front of us. It looks so delicious. It stretches out so much that it could cover an entire pizza. And it tastes amazing. Stevie suggests adding the icing on the cake. He means the nuts in the slime. He always has some peanuts covered with wasabi, cheese, or paprika on hand. The kids need a cheese cocktail. They try out their result. They made an excellent snack. Stretchy cheese and crunchy nuts are a match made in heaven. The lottery machine did a great job this time. Christy wants to turn on the lottery machine on her own. What if she gets something special? And the result doesn't let her down. Christy takes out a ball that says Nutella. How could anyone possibly dislike it? Plus, along with the Nutella, Stevie gets marshmallow. It seems like this will be the sweetest round of all. Add Nutella to marshmallows. Melt it in a microwave. Mix a stretchy slime of a delicious chocolate color. It stretches out beautifully into a thin strip, shaping numerous folds. The ingredients appear in the chef's hands: chocolate, slime, and baby marshmallows. But Christy thinks that her slime is missing something. For example, a marshmallow filling. She made her decision. We put on gloves and combine the ingredients. First of all, let's get the slime ready. What about a chocolate face mask? It will make your pores narrower and your friend's smile wider. And now comes the most important part. Put the mini marshmallows into the slime. Spread them out. And the most satisfying part, tasting our new slime. This double treat gets an A. The culinary critics are satisfied. And what is waiting for us now? Christy turns on the culinary lottery machine. The balls want to surprise us with ingredients. Come on, hurry up! It seems like Stevie's product has already flown out of the machine, and it's popcorn. And what does Christy get? Starburst? Not bad. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Add cornstarch and mix the sweet mass. This candy slime is thick, but it's still stretchy, and it's a soft pastel color. Our lottery is not simple, it's magical. That's why Stevie easily turns the ball into a whole bucket of sweet-smelling popcorn. And what will Christy surprise us with? Her ball turns into a sweet candy slime. The friends decide to swap their products. Because Stevie loves slime very much, and Christy adores popcorn. But wait, there's more! Because you can combine the two yummy treats. Edible slime is a great base for popcorn. We mix the products and get crunchy slime with popcorn. This new slime deserves a culinary award for sure. Did you like our recipes of edible slimes? Then write in the comments what you would like to add into slime. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new delicious videos on Troom.